welcome back to another video of mine. And if you guys still remember me, lol, I still have an account. So here's a tutorial how to mod FNF. Now that I have a better Windows. Bruh. So first, you're gonna want to have Paint.net, which is only for Windows on. Now, you can do whatever you want. But if you use like if you've used a previous like art program or something, it takes a long time, but you're gonna do open with then Paint.net. I don't know how to like use. I don't know like how to change my default to Paint.net. So I'm gonna click this tool. So now we got this. We're going to close this and click save. Save configuration. All you want to do is just press OK. And now that was how to make an FNF skin mod. If you want to do a charting or music or remusic, all you have to do